ComNav Technology launched a high-precision solution for lawn mowers based on the Ka GNSS module. With global navigation satellite system, ComNav makes the lawn mowers high-precision autonomous operation possible. No need for complicated cable laying. Compared to the traditional mower, it is more convenient, safe, and easy to do. Technically, this solution contains ComNav's self-developed high-log signal tracking technology, strong anti-interference LAI technology, RTK keep technology, and other advanced technologies, so as to ensure the reliability of mowers even in other complex environments. ComNav Technology offers 3 different solutions. Solution A: base plus rover with data link. Solution B: local cause network. And then Solution C: self-built call service. With ComNav solution, the lawnmower achieves positioning and navigation on a centimeter level and works at a push of a button.